think this video is gonna be like a day in the life of me. Not just a regular person. It's just me. Today I got a few clients. It's not as busy. I think it's gonna be a smooth day, to be honest. I am gonna be a bit back to back, but you know, it's always good when you're back to back. You know, time goes faster. You get me. Buses. I tried to order a cab. I'm literally running late to work, but I moved my appointment, so they're okay with it and stuff. So I moved my appointments, and so now I'm just waiting for the damn bus to come, because the cab service is like, forget it right now at this point. So yeah, today's gonna be a bit busy. No, it's gonna be smooth, I'd say. So yeah, look, my bus is there now anyway. So yeah, yesterday I was from 5 p.m. till 2 in the morning on SHEIN. Yeah, I could get off that website. So I'll probably be doing a haul soon, a SHEIN haul, because I bought some nice ass fits, I ain't gonna lie. So catch you guys in a bit. Off the bus now. Today is gonna be a good day, for the most part. I like that it's gonna be a bit busy for me, just because I was meant to fly out today or yesterday for a funeral that is today. So it's gonna help me get my mind off everything pretty much. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Yeah, it's gonna be a decent week so far. So yeah, I've got a few cuts, beard trims and stuff like that today. I'm excited for my SHEIN haul video to come out. It's my first time ordering off. Well, actually no, it's the second time ordering off SHEIN. I bought some glasses off there before, and they were fire. And I bought some more sunglasses again, because I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed with sunglasses, but got my sunglasses coming in. They should, like, everything should be coming in like by next week. And then I probably got I got some nice ass fits. I got some stuff. I ain't gonna say too much. I was literally about to expose myself and tell everything, but you guys just gonna see when you see it, innit? So when that order comes through, it's gonna be an unboxing video. So I don't think I'm gonna, you're gonna see the whole fit all together in it. So yeah, man. I'm gonna do like a time-lapse video of like today, and I'm gonna see how busy the rest of my week goes, and we'll see what comes up, you get me, in a bit. Yeah. see, I brought my tripod now. But yeah, that was a day in the life. That was me. It actually got busier than I expected because as soon as I got here, I had like a whole lot, like probably like 3 bookings last minute. Only 2 of them last minute bookings actually turned up. So it kind of ran me behind because everyone was trying to book. But it was a great day though. Time went so quick. I feel like I've been here for an hour. But so I'm gonna close up the shop now and head home and chill pretty much. Probably do a facial or something, to be honest. So yeah, peace.